they are the perfect prey for a very different type of predator. Troodont may not look as lethal as a tyrannosaur, but fossil evidence suggests that these too were deadly highly on a diet of meat. 12 meters in length and weighing 3.5 tons, they physically dwarf this diminutive predator. Troodont not only survived here, they positively thrived. And that's because their hunting prowess comes into its own after sunset. Troodont famously have the largest brains relative to their body size of any dinosaur. More important are their eyes. Not only are they forward-facing, making them active hunters, but they are exceptionally large. These are predators that can hunt equally well. Although the group, predators always choose the easiest prey. This youngster has made a dangerous mistake. The harsh Arctic winters, and in doing so grew to almost double the size of their cousins further south. But these were the exception.